Hello everyone, welcome to the DBA Academy course. My name is Sandro and I will be your learning facilitator throughout these more than 291 hours. For now, okay? Because I plan to keep updating this course. So first of all, thank you for your trust. Thank you for purchasing the course and for having the courage to start a new career or to update yourself if you already work as a DBA. If you already work with any of the technologies I'm providing in this course, these are three of the most widely utilized and significant database systems predominantly used across the globe, presented in their typical order of prominence: Oracle, followed by MySQL, and then SQL Server. My apologies, to clarify, it is indeed Oracle, then MySQL, and finally SQL Server, understood? And you'll also have a Power BI module. So we're going to start the course with the SQL Server module, which is about 83 hours long. Then we'll move on to MySQL with about 123 hours. And we'll finish up with Oracle, okay? Which currently has a substantial 55 hours of content, but I am diligently improving this comprehensive course and consistently releasing brand new valuable lessons, all right? So please don't worry at all. You will automatically receive brand new lessons and at absolutely no additional extra cost to you, okay? And we'll finish the course with an amazing tool used by data analysts called Power BI, which is currently the main tool used by data analysts, where you'll create your dashboards and reports in a very simple way, okay? I created this course with a lot of care. It took almost 2 years to build this course. Honestly, you won't find this on the internet or even in-person courses, okay? Such a wide range of information within a single course. That's why I called it an academy, because honestly, it's equivalent to a postgraduate program, okay? So there are more than 900 lessons, right? In my last count, it was around 988 lessons, okay? And you'll definitely receive new lessons within this course, all right? And in addition to all of that, you will also receive a multitude of comprehensive and detailed scripts within the various lessons, even to help you effectively follow along and fully understand the material, okay? I like this lesson format where I show you everything in practice, hands-on, everything that's happening. You'll have PowerPoint in some lessons, but those are just specific cases to explain certain concepts. But in this course, more than 95% of the time is hands-on. I'm recording directly from my computer screen. How you configure things, how you work with performance, how you do backups, take care of security. A lot of tips, a lot of scripts used by the top DBAs in the world. I'll be making those available to you. So be brave, all right? Don't give up, because the course is long and it can also serve as a reference source, since I use many of these scripts daily, okay? In my work as a DBA, so it will be very useful for you. Other than that, good luck. I'm sure that from doing the labs, even if you're not a DBA yet, by the end of this course, you'll be fully prepared to start a career in data working as a DBA, all right? So that's it. Good luck, and we'll be together on this journey.